winds of 155 miles per hour. Hurricane Michael did make landfall as a Category 5 storm.
Well, so on Wednesday, October 10th, 2018, an unprecedented Category 5 hurricane made a direct hit to Panama City. We had sustained winds of 160 miles an hour when the wind gauge broke. It was just total devastation everywhere you looked.
So my parents' house is not far from my apartment. We ended up going there the morning of and rode most of it out in the hallway. It was completely different than anything else that we had seen or ridden through before.
I evacuated that morning around 9 o'clock with my mother. It was very interesting, very emotional at the time because I'm watching on TV. You don't know if you've got a house left. You don't know if you've got the office left. You don't even know if you've got anything left in Panama City.
My kids' room was probably the hardest hit. The roof was completely caved in. Everything was damaged. Nothing was really worth saving. It's hard to process at the moment. It's hard to understand exactly what you need to do next.
I was on Facebook. I was on everything trying to find any information I could about him. Finally, by 6 p.m. that night, I was able to at least communicate with my final employee, and that was the best relief that I had found. So I was able to finally give my report that evening that all employees were accounted for and everybody was safe. Post-hurricane, the very first words out of Sean's mouth were, "How are our employees?" And that just spoke volumes to me about what type of company we work for.
In a time like that, you can't just go down to the store and use your debit card. A week after the storm, Lamar came through with a deposit for the LEAP program, which knowing that money was there, knowing that, when you needed it, that they stepped up and helped you in a time of need financially was really beneficial and put my mind at ease. That allowed me to put a down payment on a camper so at least that I had a space for myself and my kids. When you're going through a situation like that, you're just trying to make it through the day, and to knowing that people have your back, knowing that the company has your back and want to support you in any way that they can, it means the world.
We made it. We made it as a group, and Lamar has been with us every step of the way to ensure not only did we have a job, but we had a good place to work and we were all taken care of. We're forever grateful for the help that we received from Lamar and from our fellow employees.